Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make AI cover songs. We're going to be using tools such as EASEUS and Audime AI. And that big shout out to EASEUS for sponsoring this video. So let's dive in. Okay, so if you'll follow the link below to the EASEUS vocal page. Now if you'll notice when we land here, we've got some tools over here to the left, but we're only going to focus right now on the vocal remover. And this is an AI vocal remover, so it's pretty powerful. So what you want to do is you want to log in and create an account here, and then you're going to choose your file, or you can drop and drag a file here. And if you'll notice, it does do video and audio files. And it supports MP3, WAV, MP4, MKV, MOV, M4A, FLAC. It supports several different files. And there's a 20-minute file duration, okay? So let's choose a file, and I'm going to choose this little jingle here. So we're going to be doing cover songs, but I'm not using actual artist songs. I did a kind of a generic cover song using Suno, just for copyright reasons. But you can drop in any song that you want, and if you have access to whatever music, you can use that music on here, and it will separate the files for you. Okay, so this just will take a minute for it to populate, let AI do its thing here. Okay, so that took about a minute. The longer the song you have, I've done 3 or 4 minute songs, and it take maybe a couple minutes for AI to separate these stems here. So right here we have the original, and then we have the instrumental and the vocal track. So let's take a quick listen to the original.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
And I'm sorry I rickrolled you, but you get the point. Okay, so here's the instrumental version. Okay, and then here are the vocals isolated.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
Okay, so as you can see, it did a pretty good job, and it even picked up the, like the vocal effects it had on the vocals as well. Now, if you were using the real Never Gonna Give You Up, obviously the instrumental track would be the Never Gonna Give You Up instrumental track, and then the vocal track would be his original vocals and not these AI vocals. So that being said, if you were wanting to grab the use the original music and then have like SpongeBob or Patrick or Donald Trump or Joe Biden singing a song, you could totally do that. Just replace the vocals with that and go back and make a AI cover song however you would like. So from here, what you were going to do is we're going to go ahead and just download the instrumental track, and then we're going to download the vocal track. Okay, and now we're going to go over to Audime AI, and what we're going to do is Audime AI has some free minutes you can use once you sign in, and there's a link below as well, and that is going to be a affiliate link, but you don't have to pay for it or whatever, and if you click on it, I don't get any commission on that, only if you sign up for something. So, and then I just get a small commission. So what you're going to do here is you want to do your input. You can choose your vocalist right here, and you can see they have a whole slew of vocalists and even instruments. I haven't done any of the instruments yet, but we'll just stick with the let's see if we can actually find some jazz. Here we go. We'll do a jazz singer, and you can check out the vocalist before, kind of see what. Okay, sorry, that was a little bit loud. I think we'll just stick with the Mark guy here. Yeah, we'll stick with this guy. See what he does. Okay, and then what you want to do here is you want to bring in your input. You can drop your file, or you can also record So you notice they do have it separated as vocals and instrumental when you download it. So you want to bring in your vocals, and down here you can add vibrato or pitch if you know the key. I could find the key of the song. I haven't looked up that though. And then you can also do your pitch editor here too. The conversion strength comes at 30%. It may get artifacts if you increase the conversion from 30 up. I would just leave it here. And then since if you were doing a female vocals, you would want to shift your semitones up 12, and vice versa. If you were having a female singer originally instead of doing a male vocals, you want to shift down to -12. And then if you'll notice down here, this also can remove instrumental, remove background vocals, remove reverb and echo, and remove noise. Okay, so we're just going to leave it as it is and see what it does. Go ahead and convert it. And you can notice the time left. It goes by the however long the song is that you were doing. So this song was a couple minutes long, I think, and then it ate up a couple minutes of my credit time, if you would. Okay, so now this is converting. And this is pretty fast as well. All right, so let's listen to this.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
So he actually sings pretty good. This is the original voice.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
So as you can tell, this vocals are a lot better than the original AI vocals. So what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and download these. Okay. Now I'm going to upload I'm going to open up my music editor, and then we'll go from there. So just 1 second. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open up your DAW, your workstation. There's all kinds to use. I'm going to use Logic Pro, and you want to go for here. You want to go to File and then Import, and then Audio File. And you can see here the downloads we did today. So we'll go ahead and import the instrumental and put that there. And then we're going to import the vocals. And we're using the Mark vocals because that's the ones we did with the Audime AI. Okay, oh, did not mean to do that. Put those down here. I don't know why those are so far apart. And okay, so now right here, if you'll notice the beginning of this one, we'll solo this out, has a little noise in there, and the little artifact was in the initial recording and everything. So right there. So what we're gonna do with that is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out. That way it's gone. We're going to leave the length the same. Now let's see what we sound like.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye.
Okay, and that's it. And then you just want to export it. So there you go. That's how you make an AI cover. EASEUS was the perfect tool to remove the vocal tracks, and then we took those tracks and put it into another program and got better vocal tracks and a more desired vocal track, if you would. That will work for characters, and that will definitely work for male or female voices. So this app would also be really useful for if you're wanting to practice singing, or if you have a YouTube channel and you want background music and don't want vocals can be disturbing. This app would be really good for that kind of stuff there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having some fun with AI, making some fun AI stuff, creative stuff. Leave a comment below. What are you making? I'd love to see it and hear it. So thanks for watching. Till next time. And don't forget, the link is in the comments below.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna round around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.